TDS has published a new video spoilers about the upcoming power-up update. Not one video, but two videos as well. Alongside that, TDS also released a new trailer about this update, which means the update is not that far away, maybe tomorrow it will be released. But unfortunately, I cannot view the trailer yet because it's still in premiere mode in the time I'm recording right now. Although once the trailer release, I will cover it. But for now, I'll be covering the two video spoilers only. Starting from the first video, which is titled, "Wow, a supply drop, don't stand under it." You can see here in the video, it is basically one of the new power-ups that are shown here. It is the new supply drop. Basically, once the supply drop landed on the destination, you can claim it for a 2000 cash. Now, this power-up already sounds overpowered. Being able to receive 2000 cash in wave 1, you can basically put a one mini gunner and let it early defend while you farm. There's also a ton of different things in this video. One of them is the new design changes on the cache and also the placement UI. It has been given a slight background and the font is also changed. But the main thing here is the power-up menu. There are 4 power-ups and the first power-up here is obviously the supply drop, and the second power-up, I have no idea what it is. It looks like a grenade, but not just any ordinary grenade. And the third power-up, it looks like a normal grenade. And the fourth power-up, it looks like also a grenade, but maybe with other abilities. Maybe a stun grenade, or a freezing grenade, or a grenade that basically ignites fire along the path. Each power-up also has a max capacity as well. Maybe judging on the second power-up, it looks like it is going to be the most overpowered power-up yet because it only has 2 max capacity, while on the third power-up it only has 6 max capacity, which means it's not going to be that overpowered. But if you take a look on the left here, there is a small icon with a box shape in it. It also has a keybind of T. Maybe this means that the Thor menu will be separated from the power-up menu as well. Like for example, if you wanna change from the Thor menu to the power-up menu, maybe you have to press T and it will basically change to the power-up menu. And that's all for the first video. Let's move on to the second video. In the second video, it doesn't reveal much, but it basically reveals how the placing or the deploying on the power-up works. For example, if you wanna deploy the grenade power-up, you can basically aim it in the destination that you want, similar as the military base ability, airstrike ability as well. But for this one, you can basically deploy the power-up anywhere you want. You can deploy it off track if you want to. That's all about this video. See ya.